Hi everyone! Here are a few tips to choosing a WWOOF host. So before you even hop on the website, really have an idea of what your wants and needs are. What location do you want to be in? Do you have a special diet? Do you want to be close to public transport? Do you want to be close to a beach? Do you want to do beekeeping? Do you want to work with animals? Or are you more interested in the garden? Do you want to be with other woofers? Or do you want to be alone? Once you have a vague idea, get on the website and start to browse. My next tip of advice is take your time. Finding a WWOOF host that matches you completely is so important, and it does not happen instantly. Sometimes you have to look for a while. Once you find WWOOF hosts who you think align with what you want, reach out to them. Send them a message, send them a blurb of who you are and why you want to go to their farm specifically. This next piece of advice might seem really simple, but it's so true. Read the entire bio. It's so tempting to skip over some things sometimes. You want to make sure you read every single word. The hosts don't write them for no reason. Try to reach out to a few different WWOOF hosts. You might find one that you fall in love with and they might never get back to you. Especially if you're on a time crunch, you want backup options. If you choose one that you like, cancel your requests to the other visits or kindly decline and tell them you've chosen another place. Before going to your woofing destination, you always want to have a call with your host. This allows you to connect with your WWOOF host more than just on a screen, and allows the opportunity for both you and the WWOOF host to ask questions to each other. This last piece of advice is something I live by with traveling, and I hope you do too. Your gut instinct is always right. If you get a bad vibe, there probably is one. Follow your gut, trust yourself, and you got this. Hope this helps.